Electric bikes are becoming more and more popular than ever, thanks to their many benefits and advantages over traditional bikes. Whether you want to commute to work, explore new trails, or just have fun, there is an electric bike for you. But with so many options on the market, it's hard to choose the best e-bike for your needs and budget. That's why, in this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 best e-bikes you can buy this year, which will make your riding experience faster, farther, and more fun. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. Aventon Aventure 2. The Aventon Aventure 2 is a fat tire electric bike designed for off-road and all-terrain use. It features 4-inch fat tires, a suspension fork, and a powerful motor. The bike is equipped with a torque sensor that amplifies your pedaling cadence for a more natural riding experience. The full color display shows your speed, battery charge, pedal assist level, and more. The Aventure 2 also comes with integrated lights for clarity in low lighting conditions and new turn signaling capabilities. It's designed to cover ground over sand, rock, or snow with ease. The bike is also equipped with a rear cargo rack and fenders. However, it's worth noting that due to its design and features, the Aventure 2 is heavier and bulkier than typical commuters, and may be overkill for urban use alone. Despite this, it's a versatile machine that can handle a wide range of terrains. Number 4. Lectric XP 3.0. The Lectric XP 3.0 is an affordable electric bike with a new design, hydraulic brakes, a 1,000-watt motor, and a long-range battery. It offers a smooth and powerful ride with intuitive power delivery, intuitive gearing, and extra accessories. The Lectric XP 3.0 is also compatible with fan-favorite new accessory options, including the YEP seat and a passenger package that can hold riders up to 150 pounds. The Lectric XP 3.0 is a versatile and fun e-bike that you can easily store and transport. Number 3. Ride1Up Revv 1. The Ride1Up Revv 1 is a bold, moped-style electric bike perfect for that extra kick of adrenaline on your rides. Whether commuting, joyriding, running errands, or exploring, the Revv 1 is made for thrill rides no matter the use case. Boasting high-end specs, this rugged custom bike is peak performance at a value price that only Ride1Up can deliver. The Revv 1 features a 750-watt geared hub motor with 95 Newton-meters of torque, a 48-volt lithium-ion battery with standard or long-range options, and a multi-class speed system that lets you ride up to 28 miles per hour on private road use only. The Revv 1 also comes with a rear rack, fenders, integrated lights, and a USB port. Number 2. Rad Power Rad City 5 Plus. The Rad Power Rad City 5 Plus is a fully loaded commuter e-bike that combines practical utility and ideal innovation. The RadCity 5 Plus features a 750-watt geared hub motor that climbs hills 40% faster than the previous model, a 48-volt 14-amp-hour battery that gives you up to 50 miles of range, and a semi-integrated battery that makes recharging and storing your battery a breeze. The RadCity 5 Plus also has hydraulic disc brakes, a suspension fork, a rear rack, a center console, and a multi-class speed system that lets you switch between Class 2, Class 3, and off-road mode. The RadCity 5 Plus is a sleek and powerful e-bike that will make every trip into a town a joy ride. Number 1. Priority Current e-bike. The Priority Current e-bike is the most progressive e-bike on the market, with more power and more comfort than any of its competitors at an unmatched price. The Priority Current e-bike outpowers the competition with unmatched features for the value, all backed by Priority's 7-day-a-week customer service. The Priority Current e-bike features a 500-watt mid-drive motor that delivers 140 Newton-meters of torque, a 48-volt 10-amp-hour battery that gives you up to 60 miles of range, and a belt drive system that is rust and grease-free. The Priority Current e-bike also has hydraulic disc brakes, a CVT internal hub, a LCD display, and integrated lights. The Priority Current e-bike is a gorgeous and reliable e-bike that will make you fall in love with cycling all over again. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this review of the top 5 e-bikes you can buy today. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of my future videos. Also, let me know in the comments which e-bike you like the most and why. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.